Welcome back to Newlook. Today I am back with another natural home remedy for your skin. After a long tiring day, when you come home and look at yourself in the mirror, you realize how pollution, sun rays, stress and other factors can affect your skin complexion. Due to lack of time, many of us rely on quick fixes. However, many of these can have a negative effects on the skin. No concealer, no foundation can match up the glow that comes naturally. Today I am going to show a natural home remedy to get back your glowing skin. So let's get started. We all wish to have a magical wonder that can whiten your skin without harming it. If you agree with me, then follow my video. This home remedy is the most effective way to bring back the natural glow to your skin. The rice powder or else the rice flour is an effective ingredient used to treat blemishes and maintain the white skin. For this you require the main ingredient rice flour, second is wheat flour, honey and some milk. By using these four ingredients, now I am going to make a face pack. Now take a bowl, add a tablespoon of rice flour, a tablespoon of wheat flour, a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of milk. Actually I am using 2 tablespoons for making paste. Dilute all these for getting a paste. This rice flour pack is very effective. Other than this rice powder, you can use the rice water, which the water in which the rice soaked in water overnight. Next morning, take out those water. You can mix it with wheat flour other than using the rice powder directly. Or else you can just apply those rice water directly onto your face, dab well, massage well and then clean. You will get a glowing skin. Here I am using this rice powder because it blemishes all the uneven skin tone. If you have any light thinner pimples or sunburns, it will remove all those. Now after mixing, by preparing this paste, just take some amount into your hand and apply onto your face like that. You can use brush also. And massage well. By massaging the all properties which are present in the honey, this wheat flour, rice flour as well as raw milk, this all properties, vitamins, proteins will get into your skin, which brightens your skin naturally from the deeper pores. Massage for 10 minutes, not 10 minutes actually, just massage for 5 minutes and get it dry. After getting dry, just sprinkle some amount of water and massage again for 5 minutes like this. Apply little more pressure and massage. And leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash with cold water. This remedy is very natural. All the 4 ingredients are readily available at your kitchen: the rice flour, wheat flour, honey as well as milk. By using these 4 ingredients, this remedy is very naturally and it will give instant results for your skin to get lighter and brighter. Do try this remedy at your home and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Newlook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.